Hi, my name is Courtney.
My name's Marina.
And I'm Madison, and today we will be teaching you how to add and multiply integers.
To model our problems today, we will be using Sour Patch Kids. Red Sour Patch Kids are for negative, and yellow Sour Patch Kids are for positive.
Our first problem is addition. -5 plus +2. First, you get 5 red Sour Patch Kids and line them up.
Next, you place 2 yellow Sour Patch Kids under the red ones.
Next, we will group our zero pairs. Zero pairs are one positive and one negative that cancel each other out.
In this problem, you can make 2 zero pairs. Whatever's left over is the answer to your problem.
This problem's answer is -3 because there are 3 red negative Sour Patch Kids left.
The next problem we are going to be doing is 8 plus -3.
First, we are going to lay out 8 positive Sour Patch Kids, which are the yellow ones.
Then you're going to lay out 3 negative red Sour Patch Kids.
You remove the zero pairs, which will leave you with +5 Sour Patch Kids.
The answer to your problem is +5.
Now we are going to switch gears to multiplication. We will model -6 groups of +3 Sour Patch Kids.
First, put brackets around the groups and put a negative sign beside the brackets to represent -6 groups.
Second, put 3 yellow Sour Patch Kids in each of the -6 groups.
Once you put 3 yellow Sour Patch Kids in each of the -6 groups, count up all the yellow Sour Patch Kids, and you should count +18 yellow Sour Patch Kids.
Before you put that as your answer, you can't forget about the negative sign outside of the brackets. The negative sign represents opposite. Your answer would be +18 yellow Sour Patch Kids. But since the brackets and negative signs are there, the answer is -18 Sour Patch Kids.
Our next example is -4 times -4. First, you will put 4 groups and brackets around it with a negative sign to represent the -4 groups.
Next, you will put 4 negative Sour Patch Kids in each group. You now have a total of -16 Sour Patch Kids.
You need to put the opposite of what is outside the brackets, so your actual answer is +16 Sour Patch Kids.
Here's a hint. When multiplying positive times positive equals a positive answer, and also negative times negative equals a positive. Since they are both negative and both positive, it is the same positive answer. When you multiply a negative and a positive, you always get negative. This is the same rule.
Now we will move on to real-world examples. Our first question is, Madison and Marina are playing Candyland. Madison is on space 3 and she draws a card saying move forward 4. Where is she now?
You are on +3 of the board game.
You move up 4 spaces, so you add them together and your answer is 7.
Our next question is, Courtney and Marina are scuba diving at the Great Barrier Reef. Courtney is 13 yards below sea level. She swims up 9 yards. How many yards below sea level is she now? We start off with negative 13 and then add a positive 9.
You group up 9 zero pairs and end up with negative 4, which is your answer.
I hope you now know how to add and multiply integers.